Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm preparing sausage rice, a simple recipe. It was so delicious, you can try it out. Peel potato and cut into cube. If today is your first time of seeing my channel or seeing my video, you are welcome, and please support this channel by subscribing, like and share. Thank you and God bless you. This recipe is quick and affordable. After cutting the potato, keep aside. I use two medium size of potato. Peel and cut carrot into cube also. I use 3 carrots. You can use 2 depending on how big the carrot is. Keep aside. Cut red onions into cube also. You can use white onions if you don't have red onions. Thank you if you're my returning subscriber, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, leave a comment. This is spicy sausage. You can use plain sausage or any one that is available to you. This is pure pork sausage. Cut to any size you want, but it should not be too big. Cut into any pieces. So this is our sausage. Keep aside. So after cutting everything, time to fry. Add vegetable oil to your pot. Add your sliced onions and stir fry for some few minutes. Add the sausage and stir fry. Cook for 2 minutes. Add your carrot and stir fry. Add your potato, stir fry. Add your seasoning powder. Add dry pepper. You can use paprika or white pepper or black pepper, any pepper of your choice. Add salt to taste. Add soy sauce. This is light one. You can use both the light and the thick one. I decided to use only the light one because this is what was available to me. Cook for 2 minutes and add water. This water is to cook the rice. Wash your rice 3 times to remove some starch. Add your washed rice. Cover and cook until soft. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. So I'm checking if it's ready. It's not ready. You can see there's still water under the pot. So I tested if the salt was okay. In this process, you have to check if it's okay or not. Combine gently because of the potato inside. You see my potato cut, so many is ready. So it's done, it's cooked. Husband could not even wait for this rice to be ready. He was just by my side. You have to serve first before I start portioning this one. It's ready, so you can enjoy this for lunch or for dinner. It's economic and affordable. So I garnish with parsley. You can garnish with sesame seed or anything you want to garnish it with. So this is our rice, our sausage rice. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment and let me know where you are watching from. You can watch other of my videos, check them out. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.